Well, the US market started the day lower and the losses only got worse. In the end, the Dow closed down more than 800 points, and that was its third worst points drop in history. The tech-dominated Nasdaq was the worst hit, down more than 4%, its worst day in over 2 years. Now, fears among investors have been rising in recent weeks, ironically because of mounting evidence of the strength of the US economy. We saw that reinforced again last week with news that US unemployment was at its lowest level in nearly 50 years. Now, the problem with a strong economy is that it's leading to higher interest rates, higher bond yields, which affect everything from car loans to mortgage rates, and a potentially faster pace of rate rises from the Federal Reserve, which could raise borrowing costs for companies and hit earnings. Tech stocks were the worst hit. Apple, Amazon, Facebook, and especially Twitter, all sharply lower on the day. Now, these are seen as the riskiest stocks, and that means they're the first place that investors pull their money out of when interest rate fears are rising. And on top of that, with no signs of a breakthrough in the US-China trade war, investors are getting increasingly nervous about a slowing Chinese economy. That played out today in some of the luxury stocks that rely on the Chinese market. Just look at Tiffany's. That was down more than 10%. In the end, this was the fifth straight day of losses for US markets. A pretty scary start to October. Claire Sebastian, CNN, New York.